Hello and welcome back to our course. Today you will learn how to explain taxes and fees related to buying and selling properties clearly and professionally in English. Let's start with some key vocabulary. A property tax is the annual tax that property owners must pay based on the value of their property. Income tax is the tax you pay on the money you earn, such as rental income. Stamp duty is a tax paid when a property is bought or transferred. Now let's look at other important costs that clients often ask about. Notary fees are the costs of preparing and signing official documents. Legal fees are what you pay a lawyer for legal advice or representation. Closing costs include all the expenses that happen at the end of the sale, such as notary and registration fees. There are also additional costs related to property ownership. VAT stands for value-added tax, which applies to new properties. Community fees are payments made by property owners to maintain shared areas such as gardens, lifts, or swimming pools. Here are some useful phrases you can use when explaining taxes and fees.
The buyer must pay property transfer tax. Notary and registration fees are included in the closing costs. Community fees cover building maintenance.
These phrases will help you sound clear and professional when talking to clients. Let's listen to an example conversation. Client says,
Who pays the taxes when buying a property?
Agent says,
The buyer must pay the property transfer tax.
And what about notary fees?
Notary and registration fees are included in the closing costs.
I see. What are community fees?
Community fees cover the maintenance of shared areas like gardens and swimming pools.
When explaining taxes and fees, always keep your language simple and organized. For example, you can say, the buyer is responsible for property transfer tax, while the seller pays the agent's commission. Clear explanations help clients trust your professionalism. Now it's your turn. Practice explaining what each tax or fee means in English. Use sentences like, the buyer must pay, or these fees include. Try to speak clearly and confidently. Great job! Understanding how to explain taxes and fees will help you answer client questions effectively and make real estate transactions smoother. See you in the next lesson.